semiconductor chiller application manufacturing process. There are many semiconductor manufacturing processes, and the products can be widely used in photovoltaic solar cells, LED integrated circuits and other industries. The equipment involved includes oxidation furnaces, single crystal furnaces, photolithography machines, glue developing machines, dry etching machines, chemical-mechanical polishing machines, wafer bonders, cleaners, ion implanters, thinners, diffusion furnaces, cutters, grinders, wire bonders, molding presses, and more. Semiconductor chillers are mainly composed of heat exchangers, circulating pumps, compressors and control systems. They are temperature control devices in the production process. The R&D personnel have added predictive control technology and adaptive control technology on the basis of conventional PID control algorithms. Significantly improve the chiller's stability, control accuracy and response speed.